Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. How's everybody? I hope you're all well. So today I am popping on with a 5x7" card. So I want to get a little start with my cards. I've done a couple already. So I want to get some more made. I've started with a 10" piece of card by 7" and first of all I am going to score at 5" and then I am going to score at 2.5". That's a bit wobbly. And next all I am doing is folding and burnishing my card. I think that should have been that way. Yeah. So fold it first of all in half, and then where we scored our 2.5" score line, just fold that back on itself like that. Okay, so next what I want to do is where we folded this piece of card, taken myself a die that measures 2 3/4 inches, that's roughly, and I want to pop it onto my card. So leave sort of equal distance at either side once you've popped your die on, and take it a good halfway across the width of the card. So I'm going to go with that. Then I'm going to pop this through my die cutting machine, but just before I do that I want to make sure that I don't cut through this. So I'm just going to pop this part of my card just at the back like that. Okay, so I'm going to pop off camera and I'll get this cut out. Okay, so that is my little circle cut out. Next, I have taken my corner rounder and I have rounded the 4 corners on my card. I've then taken a piece of red paper and I've also rounded the 4 corners on my paper, and I've cut this down to 6.5 by 4.5 inches. And what I would like to do is just pop this onto my card like so. And then next what I've done is I've cut a circle out using the next size up from the circle in the card, and I've cut that out of a piece of white card, and I just want to pop this down like so. Okie dokie, so next I've taken this Crafter's Companion Gingerbread House stamp and metal die, and I've popped the sentiment Gingerbread Kisses and Christmas Wishes into my stamping platform. I must come on and show you I got this along with another lot of crafty goodies from a friend of mine. She kindly gave them to me, so I must come on and share what she has given me. It was really, really kind. And I've just got these little Izink dies, and this is the colour Grenadine, and I'm going to pop this onto my little stamp. Now then, there is a little gingerbread on the stamp, however on this occasion he will have to be red. Okie dokie, so I'm just going to stamp this out onto my white piece of card, like so. Oh, that's stamped out perfectly. Just wipe my stamp before it dries in. Oh, doesn't it look so cute, the gingerbread? It looks like it has been decorated with some lovely red Christmas icing. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Anyway, using the same stamp set, I have taken another gingerbread, and this time I have stamped it onto some craft card, and I stamped it in my clear embossing with my clear ink, sorry, and then I popped my Wow white embossing powder over the top. So I've done 2 little gingerbreads. Okie dokie, so I want to flip my card over to the back. I've then cut myself just move the camera there a moment. I've then cut myself a length of ribbon, a length of thread. And what I am going to do is pop my thread onto the back of my card, so it will come down the score line. Okie dokie, so I've run a little bit of glue down one side of my thread, and I'm just going to turn my card around, line it up with my score line, and then I'm going to pop another little bit of glue down on this side here, and I'm going to pop that just onto my card. Then I've taken my little gingerbread, I've popped some glue onto the back, and what I want to do is just pop the gingerbread onto my thread. Then I am going to take the other little gingerbread and I'm going to stick this onto the back. Pop that down, line that up and stick it to the back. Next, I've taken this Happy Christmas sentiment and I've cut it out in red, and I'm going to pop that up into the corner. And I'm just going to pop that just underneath. I've managed to stick my little dot in, a little bit of a faff, but got there in the end. And then on the die part of the set, you've got these lovely little candy canes, lollipops, sweeties, lots of little bits and pieces. So I've die cut those out. I've been using my gel pens. So some of them have got a lovely sparkle. For instance, the blue one, the gold one's got some sparkle on, and I've cut some out, some little lollipops in pink. So I'm just going to fast forward my camera and I'm going to get these all stuck down. So I'll do that next. Okie dokie, so that is all my little bits stuck on. So all I want to do now is I've got this lovely gold circle frame and I just want to pop this around this white circle. I've left a little bit of white border slightly around the edge. And yeah, there you go. There is my finished card. I have popped my Happy Christmas on the front of the card. I have got the lovely candy canes, lollipops and sweeties popped onto the front. And then there is my cute gingerbread that just enjoys swiveling about. And then this all folds flat like so. Oops, just wants to swivel about there. That will fold flat like so, and it will go perfectly into an envelope, and that will just sit flat like that. And then when you want to stand it up, it will just pop out, and yeah, there you go. There is my little gingerbread swivel fold card. So yeah, thank you ever so much for joining me today. Could I just ask if you would consider giving me a thumbs up and also leaving me a comment? I would really love to hear from you and let me know, have you started your Christmas cards or your Christmas crafting? If you have, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you are making for Christmas. And yeah, that is it for today. Would you please consider subscribing to my channel? I would be ever so grateful for this. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.